Good afternoon, students. Welcome in your VVPS e-learning computer class. Yesterday we have completed these topics one by one. We can see which we have completed. First, client. I also explained server, then website, web page, and home page. Yes or no? Very good. Class, these topics we have completed yesterday. So class, any doubt? Everything is clear? Now today I will start class first thing, hyperlink. Then protocol, TCP and IP. These are today's topics which we will understand today. Is it clear? Now class, one by one I am starting. Hyperlink. Class, first question is raised in front of us. What is hyperlink? Class, hyperlink is a link. Hyperlink is a link. This link is an object in the web page which can be clicked to jump to another page. When we are clicking in, we can jump in another page. Is it clear? Jump to one page to another page or part of the same page of a website. Suppose a website we are using. In a website, many types of pages, web pages are given. When we want to move from one web page to another web page, we can use hyperlink. Is it clear, class? In another way, we will understand hyperlink in very simple language. Class, listen. By which link we can move from one file to another file. By which link we can move from one file to another file, that is called hyperlink. Is it clear? Any problem, class? Next thing, class, how can we use hyperlink? Next topic, how can we use hyperlink? Class, when we are moving our mouse pointer over any object or any text or any matter, our mouse pointer, this is mouse pointer symbol. This mouse pointer symbol will change in hand symbol. Hand symbol. Class, this is hand symbol. Mouse pointer is changed with hand symbol. And then we can press on that object and then we can move from one file to another file. Class, through this example we will understand easily hyperlink. Very simple method I am using. Suppose class, you are making a file of MS Word. Suppose this is your file of MS Word file. Clear? And this is your Excel file. And this is your MS Word file. When we are working in MS Word file, means open MS Word and type masses, and any word or text we can make hyperlink. When move our mouse pointer over the object, over the text, our mouse pointer is changed with hand symbol. Which symbol? Hand symbol. Pointer is changed with hand symbol. Then we can click on the object, and we can make the MS Word file link with Excel file. So when we are press on the object, your file will move directly in Excel file. Is it clear? Any problem? Easily we can move. Means now at this time we are working in MS Word file, and when we are using hyperlink, now in the place of MS Word, MS Excel file will open, because this is the link from MS Word to Excel. Is it clear? Any problem? Next thing, class. Yes, any question? Now, I am explaining next topic, that is protocol. Class, first question is raised in what is protocol? Do you know, class, what is protocol? Every computer and network exchange the information as per some rules. Exchange the information as per rule. Is it clear? Protocol, I am repeating again, every computer and network exchange the information as per some rules is called protocol. Is it clear? In another way, we will understand in very simple language. Set of rules for communication. Class, set of rules for communication is called protocol. Yes, I also explained communication. Yes or no? Sending or receiving messages. If your message is sending or receiving by a rule, means in a set of rules, when we are sending or receiving our message, that is through a protocol we can make. So protocol, we can say, set of rules for communication is called protocol. Class, next thing, through an example we will understand easily protocol. Listen. Suppose, class, you are using mobile phones for calling to your friends, colleagues or relatives or any person. Suppose you are dialing your numbers in the mobile phone. You are dialing number in mobile phone to contact to your friends, colleagues, relatives. You will see when you are dialing in mobile phone number of your friends, mobile can be connected with your will be connected with your friend's mobile. This is your friend mobile, this is your mobile. Yes or no? Can be connected. Rare case, in rare case, when you are dialing to your friends and your mobile can be connected to other. Yes or no? When can be connected to other means that is not following the protocol. In maximum cases, your contact is connected with same mobile number which you are dialing. So this is connected by the protocol. Means your message will be given with a protocol. Is it clear? Any problem? Next. Understood, class? Protocol has two parts. First, TCP and second, IP. Two types of protocol we are using. First TCP and second IP. One by one we will understand. First TCP, class. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol. Transmission Control Protocol. Class, this is the full form of the TCP. Transmission Control Protocol. Any problem, class? Next thing, when any information is passed from one computer to another computer, when any information can be passed from one computer to another computer, then TCP breaks. TCP means Transmission Control Protocol breaks the information into small packets. Means your information can be converted in small packets. Is it clear? Has the and then small packets, and each packets has the IP address. Each packet has a IP address. Is it clear? So next topic, IP, class. Last topic, IP. IP, the full form of IP means Internet Protocol. Internet Protocol. The full form of IP is Internet Protocol. The Internet Protocol finds the convenient route. Internet Protocol finds the convenient route for each packets on the internet. For each packet on the internet. Internet Protocol is the principal communication. IP is the principal communication protocol in internet. Principal communication IP is the principal communication protocol in the internet. Is it clear, class? Yes. IP is clear. So class is over.